Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a review and demonstration of the new Avalon A50 Beyond Nova. Let's see how this sprays. I'm going to be spraying some side skirts and front splitter. Alright, so let's see how good this gun sprays. Alright, all these parts are plastic, so I scuffed it down with a maroon Scotch-Brite. Now I'm going to be applying some Adhesion Promoter. I'm going to be applying one coat, waiting 15 minutes, apply another coat, wait 20 minutes before I can start applying the sealer.
Ready? Okay.
All right, there you go. And Iwata, you got a competition coming towards you. Guys, this one sprays wonderful. You saw the pattern right there, nice and big, perfect size. The atomization on this gun is excellent, excellent. Now it laid the sealer flat. I'm gonna start applying that smoke show color. That's the color of my car, which I'm gonna be using. I'm using right now a 1.3 tip. Okay, I'm using a 1.3 for the sealer and also for the base. Now for the clear, I am gonna use the 1.4 tip on this gun for the clear. So let's see how this gun is gonna perform on the base and on the clear. So far, so good. There it is, 3 coats of base. Now, the gun is performing excellent. Comparing to the Supernova, they're head to head. I'm gonna do another video comparing it side by side. So just be waiting for that video, guys. It's coming up soon. Alright, but so far, real nice. Also, I'm gonna start applying the clear coat. It's gonna be from Grant 7. It's a high solids clear coat, and I'm gonna be using the 1.4 tip. And there it is after the 3 coats of clear. And guys, I think I just found myself my new clear gun. This gun left the clear like glass with minimal to no orange peel. Right there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. And this is a high solids clear, guys, which a lot of guns tend to have a little trouble shooting it, but this one had no trouble at all. It came out looking nice. Wow, I was surprised. The paint did work perfect on the paint, but the clear, it just killed it. It killed it. This would be a real nice clear gun for anybody. I was using the 1.4 tip because it is a high solids clear, and you are not gonna have a lot of orange peel. Like I said, minimal to no orange peel. Real nice, really nice. Love it. All right. Okay, guys, now about this gun, a lot of you are gonna say that it's just a copy of the Iwata Supernova. No, it's not. The internal parts are completely different. I just compared it. It's completely different from the Supernova. So it has its own design on the interior. The exterior kind of does look a little bit like the Supernova, but like I said, this is the gun that's comparing it, that you're going to be comparing it with a Supernova. But the internals are completely different. They didn't get anything from the Supernova. They did their own research, their own experiments on this gun, which it worked. It worked perfectly. All right. All right, guys, and this is going to be it. This is going to be the review and demonstration of the new A-50 Beyond Nova spray gun, and I recommend it for clear. I do recommend this gun for clear. Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll see you this coming weekend. I'll be posting another video midweek on around Wednesday. So just keep an eye on that for that one. All right, guys, thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. Hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And guys, like always, God bless.